Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our installation videos to you guys. What we've been working on is a Vauxhall Astra, and what we've upgraded this particular vehicle with is a brand new audio system. So, customer came into us looking to get a better sound from their vehicle. We've done so without taking up any room whatsoever. So, this customer has done this in two stages. So to start with, we went for a full Audison Prima front end. That's an Audison Prima APK 165 system. That basically goes behind the factory grills. So the tweeters are on the dashboard, woofers are in the doors, and that was running off the factory head unit. Then later on, this customer came back and we added in a sub and an amplifier. But we didn't just add these in, we also did a completely custom boot build to show off exactly the products on display, but also you can see that it takes up no boot room whatsoever. So an overall really cool, nice solution that doesn't break the bank. So this system also allows for full functionality of a sub-level controller, which is really discreetly put away in a pocket. And this is all while using the factory head unit as well. So we've not changed that because the functionality on the factory head unit is enough for what this customer was after. So you don't need to change factory head units anymore, and you don't need to see anything to have an amazing sound. So this system has all been carried out using skin soundproofing. So we've soundproofed the boot, we've soundproofed the doors, and that's all been carried out to reduce resonation, but also keep all the audio inside that vehicle. You want to make the most of the money that you're spending on the audio system, and that's why we use skin soundproofing. It's a 3mm layer, which really does make a massive difference to the audio system. So we'll drop all our social media links below. Feel free to check us out on there. But also, if you're interested in something like this, the best way to carry out an installation is give us a call and we'll book you in for an audio consultation with ourselves. We'll sit down with you, design the system, spec it exactly how you want it to suit your budget. But also what we'll do is show you around our workshop as well as our showroom facilities and run you through everything in great detail. We believe that if you're buying something, you need to know exactly what you're buying, and also, but we'll guide you in terms of what the best products for you and your budget are. In terms of our contact details, they'll all be dropped down below. Thank you very much for watching this very short video on this Vauxhall Astra and the audio system that we've upgraded, and we look forward to upgrading your car soon. Thank you.